Okay, so this week we are working on our country, our continent, and our world. And for our first part is we need to figure out where our state is on the map of our country. So this is my country, the United States of America. This is a map of my country. This is my state on a map of my country. And we live in Pennsylvania. So down at the bottom of the text box, we're going to write Pennsylvania. And then we need to color in where Pennsylvania is, and we talked about it in class, so hopefully we know where it is. We're going to scribble that in, and if you printed it, great. Do a great job coloring it in. If you're on Google Slides, it's a little trickier. Oops, especially when I can't get it to do it. Let's try that again. Oh, I hope you have less problems than I do. Let's see. Scribble it in. There we go. All right, that way we know where Pennsylvania is located. Right here, it is in the little bit northern part of the United States. It's along the coast, the Atlantic, along that area, close to that area. And so then we can move to the next part that we discussed in class, and that's our continent. And this is a map of my continent. This is my country on a map of my continent. My country is the United States. And you may have heard of it called as the U.S., which is an abbreviation for United States. You may have called it or heard it called America, which again is part of the name United States of America. Whichever one you want to use to call it, I will know what you're describing. And so again, I'm going to find the United States, which is right here. And this time I think, you know what, I'm going to color it in. And hopefully this time it stays. I want to color in the United States. And again, you can probably do a fantastic job coloring when you are using crayons. Try your best when you're on the Google Slides. Oi. Man, a day, I'm struggling. There we go. Got it. Okay. And so then we know where the United States is on our continent. And then the final one is, this is my world. It is called Earth. If you could unroll the world and make it flat, it would look something like this. Map of the world. This is my continent on the map of my world. And my continent is North America. We live in North America, which is right up here. And of course, I'm going to try to color it again, but I'm struggling with that. So what we have is we have North America. We have from all the way up here in Alaska. And then we have Canada. And it's going to disappear again. And we have the all of the United States, Canada, Alaska, which is also part of the United States. Oh my gosh, why does it keep disappearing? Ah! Oh, there it stayed. All right, let's see if I can color some more in without it disappearing. Ah, there we go. Now I'm getting it. Okay. So it's not pretty. The goal here is for you to recognize where you live on a map. And that will help you to understand how you place on or in the world, just like in our story, Me on the Map.